Pfizer used Drupal at the core of our digital platform strategy. We started this in around 2012. At that time, we had around 60 different content management systems that we were launching sites on. So as of that time, as of 2012, it became the only go-forward platform. Since then, we've launched several thousand different sites on Drupal, and it still averages out as more than one site being launched every business day since we initially made that decision. And those sites go from very large, complex portal type sites with lots of different integrations, now also to applications that are the content backend for mobile applications or omni-channel campaigns, all the way down to small, simple websites that may be deployed to many, many different markets. But Drupal for us delivers that entire spectrum. Every website initiative that we launch is launched on Drupal. So in terms of what we've contributed to Drupal, in Drupal 7, we did a lot of work around the deploy module and ways to stage content and then deploy that across environments. That was done in Contrib. And as we started to look at how we do this in Drupal 8, it certainly wasn't a case of just migrating those modules to work with Drupal 8. So that's gradually through experimentation with Contrib modules and then ultimately into the workflow initiative that led to the Drupal 8 workflow initiative, where we've contributed with multiple people effectively working full-time on that initiative, and then other people working part-time. It's always better to contribute that enhancement back to the community rather than to try and maintain a local forked version. Absolutely, when it comes to maintaining our sites, it's more cost-effective to do that. Also, in my experience, the teams who contribute back, and I can see this through data, through the credit system, the teams who contribute back more on Drupal.org, they deliver higher quality sites. They absolutely do. They write code that they're actually proud of. Collaboration with other parties, which is essential in software development, is second nature to people who do this. They don't fork these modules to make minor changes, which can cost a lot for us to maintain them. And they always build things assuming that they are going to be used by other people. So people build things in ways where they can actually be reused, which can be of great benefit both from just the cost of rebuilding something as well as accelerating delivery, but accelerating time to value because you already have the thing that's ready to be reused rather than rebuilding it. So being part of the broader community, and Drupal itself, it makes you feel proud. And certainly when people are doing work that makes it into core, there's without a doubt a sense of pride that they have done work that's made it into this project that's used by so many websites. And it also means when you come across a Drupal website or you notice it's a Drupal website in some way, there's certainly pride that's there. So Drupal really becomes part of your life for many people on the team, and they're very proud of working with it. And it's a great feeling.